Alright, positive vibes. Today, this video is about breathing. Yeah, so this is sort of a continuation from sleep because I left out a few points that I should have put in the sleep video. However, it's all related because during our sleep is when our testosterone is produced. And so that's really where we become a lot stronger through our sleep and just improving our sleep. Our whole chemical system produce the correct chemicals to make us more productive and better equipped to just take on life. And this rolls into breathing because I had a really strange revelation. Firstly, we can control our breathing more because we're not breathing in and out smoke all the time. You know, I found that I was always exhaling a lot more because I was trying to always just get rid of more than just carbon dioxide. It was also the cannabis as well, whatever the fumes are. And so that's just a sort of a system that we're trying to sort of get ourselves accustomed to on top of just the normal oxygen respiratory system. And what I really found was that after quitting, my breathing became so much more spacious. You know, the smoke wasn't in there to try and get filtered through the respiratory system. And what happened? My body has actually become bigger because the space in my lungs and the oxygen running through my muscles and my system and my body, my blood, the veins are just so much wider. And it's so strange how I'm just bigger. This is partly what I was talking about with the gym video as well. They're all interlinked, man. I'm just bigger now, and it's strange. It could be partly because I'm just more routined as opposed to sort of following my feelings all the time, which is really what smoking is. It's like you follow what you feel you need to do. And just the breathing of the body just widening and the lungs giving more space and the muscles and the veins just all just widening and just allowing a clearer pathway for the blood cells and just oxygen to run through our body and to pump blood. It's just so much better and easier. And so through the breathing clarity, our body just grows into itself a lot more. And I'm pretty sure that's why people may not mature properly when they are smoking all the time and they never succumb to not only their mental discipline but also their physical production, their physical maturity. Yeah, this is the breathing video. I hope it might have sparked some ideas and maybe answered some questions if you're not sure whether quitting weed is holding you back in some ways, because there's so many reasons why it is positive to quit. And yeah, I mean, check out the videos, I'm talking about how I'm coming back to it as well. So it's something which is it's a balance basically, and we need to just tip the scale the other side if we're so far on another. So yeah, let's fucking get it, keep being bosses, and fucking let's go.